southwestern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, until 4 p.m. At 12:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. An estimated 1 inch of rainfall has fallen in the past 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts may exceed 2 inches in the Warren area through this afternoon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warren, St. Clair Shores, Grosse Pointe, Roseville, East Point, Hamtramck, Hazel Park, Grosse Pointe Woods, Harper Woods, Highland Park, Grosse Pointe Park, Grosse Pointe Farms, Center Line, Northeast Detroit and Grosse Pointe Shores. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Macomb and Wayne,